Alright, back then the new poem is entitled So Good Seed, and basically this poem is about highlighting mankind art, the human art. Not the art where you pump blood, but the art where we call our conscious decision. But majority of the time, wickedness. Most of the time, wickedness. And basically, I highlight the reality. Because I believe our call responds for all the evil in the world. People are do wickedness. People are betray each other. No love, mankind have no love. So, the poem I highlight that. The Bible said, a man reap what him sow. So me say sow good seed because karma is real. So me say sow good seed because karma is real. You dig a hole for me, try dig one for yourself also. The more you try sink me, the more Master God always a bless me. So me say sow good seed because karma is real. Sow good seed because karma is real. And every tragedy we reach in our life, if we blame Obia and bad mind, make we stop and think twice. If me do bad towards this brother or sister, then me must pay the ultimate price. So me say sow good seed because karma is real. So me say sow good seed because karma is real. Them say God not like ugly, especially when you put on a pretty smile. And on the inside, your heart corrupt and dirty. That a total hypocrisy. So me say sow good seed because karma is real. Sow good seed because karma is real. You wash out your mouth from people pitney. Say how them work this and how them gonna feel greatly. Then suddenly karma coming like a tidal wave and wipe out the whole of your family. Them say while man a plan, gotta wipe out. So me say sow good seed because karma is real. Sow good seed because karma is real. Sow good seed. Them say karma is a bitch, but it's a bitch to the inequity workers and the snitch. So me say sow good seed because karma is real. Sow good seed because karma is real. So me say sow good seed because karma is real. So all on a thieving politician, manager, scammers and contract killer we think on a getaway with no wickedness. The most I say everything. So me say sow good seed because karma is real. Sow good seed because karma is real.